Okay, so follow these directions to reach the Greenhill vs Preseli write-off. First, go to Google and type in Kidblog, which will bring up kidblog.org. Click on that and it will take you to the site. Then click on the tab that says Secret Code ? In here, you then enter the secret code you have been given by your teacher and click on Join Class. This page then shows you where you type in your display name. Put in your first name followed by the school that you're in, as you must remember this will be viewed by everyone and therefore we want to keep this safe. Then type in a password that you will remember and perhaps keep it in a safe place, and then click Create My Account. You will then be taken to your dashboard where all the tools are there for you to access. Click on Profile, and this is something that you can customize. You are to create a blog title. For now, keep it simple, Jack's blog. Type in your school email address. And then you may customize your avatar. Here, don't put in a photo of yourself or your family, but you may put in a picture of perhaps your favorite character or favorite book. And then remember to click on Update Profile so that your changes are saved. Okay then, in the top right hand corner, click on Go to Class Blogs. This will take you to the blog that everyone can see where your posts will be shown. You can also get to your own blog from here by clicking on My Blog. Click on New Post, and then you'll be taken to where you can write and post in the blog. Okay, then you put a title for your blog, so perhaps Hello from Jack as your first post. And then down the bottom you may want to do an introduction about yourself. What are your interests? It is important at this point to say that you shouldn't reveal any personal information about yourself, not your surname or your address. Save your draft if you want to go back and change some things before you post it. If you're happy, submit it for review where your teacher will read it through. You may also put in a tag. For this one, put in intro and click Add. Okay, so now you've gone back to your own blog where it will display the blog you have just done. You're welcome to edit this post as well. Then you can go see the class blog by going down to Visit Site. It won't be on here until your teacher has reviewed it, but once they have, it'll be up on this site where you can see your own and others' posts. If you wish to reply to posts, you click on Leave a Comment. Here you can type in your response, but make sure that it is kind, specific and helpful. And then click Submit Comment. Okay, once you've finished with your time on the blog, make sure that you log out and be sure to not give your secret code to anybody else. Good luck and enjoy!